Alpha Mind Power Online Live Classes by Sri Mata Vijayalakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
You would like to say about this class, whatever your experience was, I would like you to speak now, one by one. Let's take a little more time. Yeah.
Ma'am, my name is Suhasini. Actually, it is a real pure coincidence because yesterday I finished learning Soundarya Lahari for the second time.
Okay.
And this time it was with a deep insight and also, Lalita Sahasranam all with the meaning deep inside. And today morning only, after 12, I registered for this workshop.
Okay.
So as you said, it was Bala Tripura Sundari is called. I have a doubt. I have done the chakra meditation with you 10 years ago. There for Mooladhara, Manipur and all, we used to say hold different fingers, no? Little finger for so can we do it here also?
You can do, but the only thing is in Sri Vidya, the entire focus is on the Bindu. When will I reach there? Okay. So you need not get distracted with all this. If it comes naturally, you do it. If you're used to it and it comes naturally, fine, but it's not a must.
Okay.
Okay, focus is more on that.
I have a son, okay, like he was born after I did alpha and all. He's an autistic child, but by God's grace, I don't have any problem. I have accepted him. He's a speech delayed child. So how do I, see, I really don't want to say, please give him speech, this and that. I really want to thank God for him because I feel, he's a very gifted and I'm a gifted mother. And also I just wanted to be himself, just independent and be safe. The children of his group. He is, speech. So how do I do it, ma'am? Like
every day after, as you finish the Sri Vidya meditation, mentally keep him there with you. And just tell Bala that I'm putting him in your care. You are there, you take care of him. I think you can't do anything better than that. Just do that and then see how he progresses.
Yeah, thanks. And it's because I did alpha before, I was able to accept him as such. Thanks.
Very good, very good. Actually, I have posted a video on YouTube about autistic children. Please go and see it. If you type Alpha Mind Power, our YouTube channel, and say autism or autistic child, you'll be able to see that video. And I've spoken about how I convinced a mother that she is a gifted mother. Because spiritually, autistic children are highly evolved souls. If you understand that, then it's a great opportunity for you to help that soul to exist at this point on the earth. He has come for a different kind of experience. So you're a gifted mother. If you hold that in mind, it becomes very easy to take.
Thank you, Guruji.
All the best.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Pranam, ma'am. I am Sai Achut. I have done my Alpha Level 1 back at schooling during my 7th standard, and I have been practicing Alpha meditation. And after all this year, I am doing Sri Vidya now. I'm so happy with it, ma'am. When I was practicing Alpha meditation last 3 days, I saw Bala in my meditation. And after that, now I come to here. I find it little bit difficult to imagine that petals, ma'am. I find it little bit difficult. Spires and
you don't have to visualize all that. You just listen to it. Automatically, the petals will open and the deities will bless you. So don't worry about visualizing. We do not know every deity there. It doesn't matter.
I saw only Bala in the Bindu, ma'am. I couldn't see Rajarajeshwari.
It's okay. Doesn't matter. They're all one and the same. We see them in different forms. Okay. All the best. Blessings.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Revati.
Ma'am, 2 weeks back, I started learning the meaning of Lalita Sahasranamam word by word from a young girl only, ma'am. So I've started in about 40 to 45 mantras only. We have learned the meaning. As you said, that Shakti Kuta from all the three. So she was explaining to us all that. And it was so much enchanting. So I was just thinking, oh, God has been kind enough. I thought I will not participate in that class, but last minute, Amba wanted me to do that. I'm enjoying every moment of the class, ma'am. And as I do that, you had written some nice thing about Vidya, Bala's, this one, no? So I thought, oh, whether I will be able to do. And I thought the class is tomorrow, ma'am. Then my sister sent one message, "Are you doing the class today?" Then I thought, oh God, I forgot. I thought it was tomorrow, and immediately I registered. So Amba has been so kind and nice to me, ma'am. And it's really enjoyable. Of course, we have to still graduate and go more to realize her fully. Today I saw her with a green tops and a lotus colored skirt as a small girl.
Very nice.
This one. And so I have to evolve so much in all this mantras and all that. I know it is very, for me, it is so big. Like I have to learn this, I have to learn that. But of course, Lalita Sahasranamam is so beautiful with every word. Very, very beautiful, ma'am. So gifted that when I was learning this, I got this opportunity to
very good.
Realize Amba.
It's a call from her only, definitely.
Ma'am, as you said, it's a call from her. I'm so grateful. When you started the class, I was only crying, ma'am. I was crying, and because of all the cuts, my cries stopped. Otherwise, I would have been crying.
Correct. Very true. Very true. Okay. Very nice. Yeah. Somebody else was trying to speak. Yes.
Yeah, Yogesh from Lucknow.
Yes, Yogesh.
First of all, I would like to brief you on Women's Day and all the training participants.
Okay.
And,
thank you.
Today you have given a wonderful gift to us, the supreme power of women. I need your blessings.
Definitely. My blessings, Bala's blessings are there. Devi's blessings are there.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Pranams, Guruji.
Yes.
So, Amrita Priya, and my initiation with Alpha has been through my mother. And yesterday, suddenly she was practicing Shri Vidya, and she called me and told me that Bala came, and she told me that you should practice Shri Vidya tomorrow during the class, because I was feeling a little, diffident and underconfident due to a lot of things happening around me. And she felt this will be a better option for me. And once I came to the class and I listened to the class, I felt an immense connection with Bala and with Shri Vidya. And one more thing, I have been practicing Bharatanatyam since 5 years, and I had performed a program called as Dasa Mahavidyas around 6 years ago. And in that program, they were explaining all the Dasa Mahavidyas, and in that, Shodasi was one of the characters, and I played a character called Bhagilambuki. So when we played those characters, my dance teacher used to inform, or she used to educate us on all these the different devis, and she used to tell that you need to feel from inside, from your core, you need to feel for these devis and dance. So after the dance, and when you told today, I could feel immense connection, even though it feels like Bala had been in my life for a very long time, and now she has been initiated into my life after this meditation, and I feel very blessed. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Very good. My blessings to you, and Bala's blessings also, definitely. Please do practice. It is wonderful to be initiated into Sri Vidya at such a young age. You should really make use of that, and just hold on to her. She can solve many things for you. Okay. All the best, ma. Thank you. I just saw one message in the chat. Someone wanted to know about Alpha meditation. See, that is our basic class. Keep looking at the classes. Every week we have different classes. So when that class comes, you can definitely attend. Okay, so this Sri Vidya is a different one. Alpha meditation, you can attend whenever the class comes. You can talk to my staff or write a message in the group. You'll get more details about it.
Sunita, I'm from Dubai. I had attended your class last year once, and Alpha meditation also a couple of days back. So basically what I want to say is I had this Mahameru in my house from 2016. And I had no idea how to do the puja. And I used to do it regularly with, as usual. But one of these days after the last program with you that I did, that was the Graha Dosham. After that, I chanced upon a video where you're showing the Maha Avarna Puja. And after that, I started doing it every time. I'll put the video on, I'll keep you there, and I will do it because I just want to share that you're giving us all these insights and all these procedures. But then the energy I felt from you when I was in Dubai, amazing. Even when you give us any class, even when I do the meditation with you, there's a different level of, I can feel that energy from you, ma'am. So thank you so much. I'm so thankful that I'm a student of yours or I came across you. It's lovely. But then I am happy that after I started doing that, I came onto this class today. And I have even this. So now I know how to use all of this.
Good.
So much. And one thing I have to say that I never buy chocolate milk. Today morning when I went to buy my grocery for the weekend, I brought the soy. I'm trying soy milk. I'm trying to replace cow's milk. I thought, okay, new milk, so I'll get the chocolate milk. And when I did the puja today before your class, I placed chocolate milk in front of Shri.
Okay.
I mean, when you told me, I was like, what is this? This is just a blessing. Thank you so much.
Definitely. Very nice to hear this. Thank you so much for being there. Bala's blessings.
Ma'am, your energies are too good. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sanjay?
Yeah, Sanjay?
Yeah. Ma'am, this is Sanjay and Gauri, your very old disciple from Gurgaon, Delhi.
Yes, I remember. Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm very delighted. In 2017, I attended the Rishikesh, that's 7 days session. Okay. And that time I got, I started my some venture. And then I went to your this thing and I took your blessing. And it's a matter of coincidence. Just I was thinking, so start one more venture. Actually, I have sent the request by mail to you also.
Okay.
And within 3-4 days, I came about this Sri Vidya. That time also, I have heard about this Sri Vidya. So I was very keen to do. And by grace of God, today it is done. We are so grateful to you. And ma'am, one thing is there, someone almost 2-3 years back, they on Diwali, someone has gifted me this thing.
Okay, Mahameru. It is made of what?
I don't know, some metal is there.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
See, so, now you know the form, no? So you check whether it is properly made.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. Just I put this in our puja this year only, and I'm doing daily puja. So should I continue with that, or
if you can take some pictures from all the 4 sides and you send it to me by WhatsApp to my office numbers.
Okay.
Any number, let me check whether the formation is right. As far as I can see from here, now I'm not able to make out. But if you send me pictures from different sites, then you will see most of the time this Mahameru, many people sell, but the formation is not right.
Yeah, very right.
Then if you keep it, it may not be very good. That is why I'm worried only about that. Yeah. So let me just check from the pictures as far as I can, and then I will let you know. You can send it to my staff's numbers, they will forward it to me. Or you can send by mail also, I can see it.
Sure. And please bless me for that venture, and I'm keenly awaiting your reply for my mail also.
Sure. I will see the mail. I will reply, and all my blessings. Do very well. Sri Vidya will definitely bring you a lot of abundance.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I've been waiting to. I did the initial thing, Alpha basic course, just some last month.
Yeah, correct.
I do it regularly every day, and I feel very blessed, feel very happy. So even how I came to do Bala, this thing, today's course is also this thing. I was not very sure. Like you said, I had my mother was Sri Vidya Upasaka, and she had got initiated by a guru. So that fear was there, ma'am. And in my family, my grand uncle, my mother's uncle, was a very learned scholar. He had written many books. Pradipa Prasuram, you might have heard.
Okay.
And, he is the one, Sri Natarajan, S. Natarajan, Najan his name. So he initiated me, and I was very small at that time. I did not realize the value of the wonderful thing that he was giving. I'm not able to speak, ma'am, because my throat is getting filled. Like today, after around 35, 40 years, I was a small kid at that time. I have got this, and I'm feeling goosebumps. How she has called me. She said, now is the right time. All your life you wasted. No more wasting of time. Come to me.
Correct.
I'm blessed, ma'am. Then another thing I want to ask is like, I want to do like my mother, I've seen my mother doing Guru Paduka before doing any puja, prayer to the puja. Can you show me the correct form of it, ma'am?
I'm not bringing all that into this at all.
Okay.
So this is Lagu Sri Vidya.
So no need to do that. Just praying.
We chant, no? Dakshinamurti mantra is there. There we pay our obeisance to the gurus.
That's it.
Hierarchy is there. Hayagrivar is there. Ganesh is there. So that is enough.
That's enough. Okay.
We don't get into that. So once you get into that, that alone is not enough.
Oh, so many other things. Like Sri Vidya, you said Upasaka, the other pujas and all that.
Anganyasam, Karanyasam, many things are there.
Yes,
you will not be able to get into it. It's too much.
That's
so
true.
We have avoided all that completely. And this is what Devi wanted me to teach you. I told you, the timetable was given by her. So let us stick to only this and keep it simple.
I'm blessed, ma'am. And my husband is also there. He was also listening. And
very good.
Feel very blessed and very nice.
Excellent. Excellent. Very nice. Namaste. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Pranam, ma'am. Malti from Delhi.
Yes,
ma'am. I keep attending all the classes. The Sri Vidya, actually, I've been wanting to attend for quite some time. I don't know, some kind of obstacles I used to keep getting it, you know. I wanted to register, but it used to never happen and all that. But this time, it all happened so easily. So maybe Bala wanted me to attend this. So one of the things is my father-in-law is such a strong believer of Bala. So when the mantra, when it was getting invoked, she was just there in front of my eyes, ma'am. I couldn't control my tears. I was just having such a blessed feeling. It's such a blessed feeling. I mean, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And when I was doing that Navavarna Puja, I could see the kind of a light I had, such a golden light of her. And, I was just praying for her feet and I could see it in a golden yellow color. I can visualize the feet, and when I'm offering flowers and everything, my God, it's such a lovely feeling which I cannot express in words. And thank you so much for initiating this, ma'am.
Wonderful.
I'm blessed. I'm really blessed.
I'm so happy to hear this from you, because this is what Bala wants, and she has called you. She has given you the initiation. I'm really very happy. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Good evening, Guruji.
Good evening.
I'm Dr. Preeti. Actually, before few years back, I came to know about Bala Tripura Sundari Devi from one of my cousins, and I became curious about Devi, but I was not able to follow her till now. But by coincidence, now I came to know about Sri Vidya. And last time I attended Lakshya Siddhi, actually. Actually, I finished my theory exams. I told you, actually, I finished my theory exams and waiting to do the practical exams.
Okay. All the best. Very good.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Right.
Ma'am, this is Bharati, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear you. Speaking from?
I am from Coimbatore, ma'am. I have already attended Sri Vidya 5 years back, but I wanted to do it again. I don't know. I was feeling somewhat insecure. I don't know what. And I have few issues in my life also. But when you told that Bala is answering, like, I am with you always, I will be till the end, I couldn't stop my tear, crying. My God, it was like as if Bala is speaking to me directly and telling me that I'm always with you, don't worry. So like I have finished all the meditation. So I will be doing like one each day. But now I'm thinking every day morning I have to do Sri Vidya meditation, and evening I can do the other meditation. And it was a blissful experience. And somehow I was imagining her in a green color dress, and many told that today she came in green color dress. And we have a double height thing in our house, and I could feel her swinging in that, in that double height, sitting in the swing and singing when we played that song. And the experience was something very, I cannot explain that. And I felt that today she came and she spoke to me and she told, don't worry about anything. I am there with you. Nothing else matters to me now, Like, I'm very happy, and thank you so much, ma'am, Getting this class in a simple way so that everybody can understand and everybody can follow this and do, ma'am. Really, thank you so much for this.
Very nice. Very happy to hear this from you. Thank you so very much.
Thank you,
the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
I'm Malini. I recently attended Sanjeevani meditation and psychic energy.
Okay.
Soon after Sanjeevani, my husband had COVID. It was very, very anxious times. Then when he came out, my daughter was to marry on May 14th. And that fiance, mother, father, everybody had COVID. I was recovering. But today when I did this, I had come on online counseling. You had suggested Sri Vidya is the best.
Yeah.
So I was dancing today after I finished. I was just asking her, let the marriage take place. And the marriage is postponed now. Let the marriage take place whenever, let it happen whenever, everything. So I was actually dancing. I was very, very happy. Of course, they are all recovering. My husband has recovered. But I was dancing. I really don't know how do I ask, like my son, my only son is not here. I'm in Delhi. And all my brothers, everybody, nobody is in India. So actually, I love the marriage. If at all, if it happens, they would all like to come to India, but otherwise my daughter will have nobody. My sisters, of course, are old and they're in Chennai. I really don't know what to ask. How do is it possible?
No, you leave it to Bala. You just say that let it happen in the best possible way. You will be amazed at how she will work it out.
My husband's chest infection was so high. I did Sanjeevani and it is like magic. I don't know how he has recovered. Thank you so much.
Very good, very good.
Very silly question. Why is it called Vidya? Sri Vidya?
It is called Sri Vidya. See, Vidya is a Vidyai. In Tamil, when we say Vidyai, it is a, knowledge.
Okay.
This is the highest form of knowledge.
Okay.
Worshipping the Devi. So it is called a Sri Vidyai.
Another thing, when you visualize, maybe, see, we said Bindu, then I visualized Tripura Sundari, not facing me.
No, she'll be sitting here and facing like this.
Facing as I did. Yeah. It will be in front of me, is it? It cannot be in front.
You can imagine, she's sitting on top of you. Her face will be like this, just like your face is facing. Same guy.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Vanakkam, Guruji.
Vanakkam. Solunga, eppadi irkeenga? Sri Vidya again, good.
We both are repeating the course and it was really very nice experience. We could able to raise our vibration.
Yes.
And I could feel good vibration when I chant those mantras you taught in the class. It just, it made us feel good vibration. It made us like an instrument and it activated energy in us. And it was so good. And the chakra activation, the Sahasrara chakra activation was really good. And it was so blissful. And Bala was riding in Jula and I helped her ride well and it was so blissful. She was wearing the same costume, the green blouse and red color.
Many have seen her in green and blue.
She was really beautiful.
Peacock blue. I saw her like that.
She was wearing the same costume which we usually see and she was really beautiful. I just caught her feet and I surrendered totally to her and left everything to her. I just wept and I just surrendered myself totally to her. It was really a nice experience.
Very good. Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much for being there. Okay.
Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, what to meditate for getting rid of COVID? Like how to meditate?
See, tomorrow we have a live program at 3:30, a Zoom meet only. Please join it because I want to do a meditation for this COVID only. But otherwise, last year also we made a meditation sometime in October. Phoenix meditation, do you remember? They keep posting the link in the groups also if you're there in the group. Otherwise, it's there on our YouTube channel. If you type Alpha Mind Power Chennai and then Phoenix Meditation, it will come. So if you listen to it there, I have made people actually visualize that COVID is just getting dissolved completely. So something like that is required, because last year when we released that meditation in, I think it was October, after that, as far as Tamil Nadu was concerned, many people were meditating. They were doing that meditation. It did come down very well. End of February, it was so low, the count. We were really happy. But then now they're saying it's the second wave. I think again, we have to meditate. Group meditation will be very, very powerful. So tomorrow, if many of you join, it will be nice. 3:30 to 4:30 afternoon.
So ma'am, what if like, let's say if I'm only affected from COVID, so I have to, what meditation I have to, what visualization I should do?
Yourself?
Yeah, for myself. Yeah,
have you done our alpha classes? Any
class?
Yes,
I have done. Yeah, I've done it.
I'm not able to see your video, so I can't see your face. I can't recognize. So if you have done our basic class, then you can listen to the self-healing meditation. Green color, you can shower. And the command that is required is that my immunity level is very high. That is the command that is required.
Okay.
And every cell in my body is experiencing excellent energy, positive energy, and excellent health. You can give yourself affirmations, give a lot of green color to the whole body, because see, with COVID, I think the whole body needs to get refreshed. So you shower the colors and give these commands, and then visualize yourself with a lot of energy, doing your work, running around like that.
What was the command? Sorry, I forgot.
So you can say, my immunity level is very high. That is the most important thing. Second, you say, every cell in my body is filled with very good energy and good health. Have you done our Sanjeevani class?
No, madam.
No. If you had done, you could have listened to our Sanjeevani meditation, but it's okay. Basic level also, we have a self-healing meditation. It is available in the meditation section in our app. You can listen to that. That will really help. And chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya gives very good healing. Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. Now you have done Sri Vidya. So this is good enough. You can do this meditation and chant Bala mantra and Saubhagya Panchadasi. Request Bala to give you a lot of good energy and recover completely. So it will definitely happen.
Okay.
All right.
I'm Ramnath. I did your classes back in 2004. That was like when I was in school, and so I did the Alpha Meditation Level 1. And there was, I would say my, so right now I have my own startup, and there were a lot of occasions where I wouldn't know where things kind of quote unquote conspires, but you eventually find, so somebody was asking like, how do I solve it? So I always do Alpha and say like, okay, Alpha, somehow it gets solved. So the dots don't seem to connect when you look at it forward. So same like, okay, only after it's solved, you will know why you are here. So actually today's class, I had no idea what Sri Vidya was. And I was actually I wanted to attend the program. Like sometime I was actually going through something else. So usually Saturdays we were working, and a lot of things conspired, and today like meetings gone postponed and all that. So I registered for this class at in the morning, and I was able to attend it successfully. It was a really good experience. And one other thing which I think it's a really good compliment to the Alpha Mind for the entire course or the structure that you have. So okay, I did my PhD in IISc Bangalore. So people like say, oh, you're a scientist, you follow this metaphysics and all that. So I say, see, this is an axiomatic framework. If you understand, you can follow things like that. But I've seen so many literature, like for example, in terms of mind power or in terms of a lot of things around this. But I think the Alpha Mind Power series that you offered was probably the most simplest, and it had distilled the essence of every other thing that I could actually connect. So basically anything else I read, I can always connect it to this thing. So, and today's class, I think it went a little bit deeper, as you said, like, okay, with Alpha, you could achieve so much, like Sri Vidya helps you take it to a whole new level. So a couple of days back, not couple of days, maybe 2 years back, I had got that Alpha Energy box and like, okay, a few other things. Then now I think it's all connecting back. Like, okay, I was actually looking for some particular thing. Like, I have a kid now. Incidentally, like, to put her to sleep, we used to listen to Bala's songs on YouTube.
Okay.
So for the past 1 year, every day, every night it plays. Now I kind of connected back. Oh, okay, maybe it's like that's why I'm here in the first place.
That is how she works, you know. She brings you here to the class somehow.
I think it's a total coincidence why I'm here, but it's a great opportunity, and as always, learned a lot.
Very good.
Thanks a lot.
Very good. Bala's blessings. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice.
வணக்கம் குருஜி. வணக்கம் குருஜி. நிறைய பேர் ஸ்ரீவித்யா வந்து first time பண்ணுவாங்க. So I thought I can give my feedback so it will be useful for so many people who are doing for the first time. We shouldn't have any sort of something in the background. Like I've done my BSc Physics. I did my Masters in Computer Applications, and I've done so many courses actually after that. So it is far after science, and it is not at all science at all. It is all your belief. And if you think that Bala is your child, Bala is your child, and Bala is your mother, Bala is your mother. So she'll be there living in your house from now on. And whatever you have, you can just keep on the feet of Balama, and she'll be always with you. And whatever you ask, she'll definitely give for sure. And I got my pineal gland and all activated, Sahasrara activated, so much of experience I couldn't explain actually. And she also came with a parrot green costume today. And so when we were there in the residency towers, we'll have a big feast, ma'am, with pan and all that. You used to give payasam and all different type of payasam. We should have a get together, ma'am, once. All this.
See, let us be happy. At least this way we are getting. Right now, I think this is a blessing. No, these 3-4 hours we have forgotten everything.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
So I am very grateful for that. You know, such a nice opportunity to see all of you and to keep on talking about Bala for so many hours. I consider it a great opportunity.
Yes.
So anyway, good days will come. Don't worry, normal days will come back. Let's not even say good days. We want normal days.
No.
It will come. It will come. This is a passing phase. We have to go through it carefully.
You have simplified it so. Like a kid, you have given us chocolates, and it is up to us to follow that, practice that, and actually,
you get the best out of it, the best experience.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Good, thanks.
Yeah. Namaskaram, ma.
Namaskaram.
My name is Soumya. I'm in Adelaide, Australia.
Okay.
Thank you so much for today's session. We are here for the last 6 years only. Hyderabad.
Okay.
So I have been to Nemili just before moving to Australia. We wanted to have her darshan, so we went and we met Ayya, and our Vasakam, it still rings in my mind. Nimmadi Taruval, Nimmadi Bala. He always says that, and we just like that we went. It seems we should have called him and fixed the time and then gone, but we simply went, and darshan was open, and it was a divine experience. And from that time I have been wanting to learn, but as you said, it is really very scary because Srividya is a big the muddy and all, and rumba scare பண்றாங்க, and our elders in the family, they practice this, and they are like, no, you should not do, you can't do it.
Correct.
But it was always there in the mind, and wanted to be your student. Ungaloda videos I have been following on YouTube.
Okay.
And thank you so much for today's session, and thanks to my sister who put me into this. My sister Supriya, she is also here today.
Oh, okay. Good.
Yeah,
good.
So she was the one that told me that though today it is happening, come on, register pannan solittu urgent-a sonna. Last night I registered, and
now after you told me, I can make out the resemblance. Good, good. Very nice, very nice. Bala's blessings.
So much.
Thanks for being there.
I could see Devi in a dark violet saree.
Okay. Okay.
Nice katrika dark violet and the colorla saree and golden border and the madri. திடீர்னு ஒரு ஃபிளாஷ்ல மட்டும் வந்தது. All along it wasn't there. Finally, just before you ended, I could just see. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Very good, very good. It's a real blessing.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Amma. Thank you so much. I want to do the other things also. And the alpha mind, அதெல்லாம் பண்ணனும் ஆசையா இருக்கு.
One by one you can do, because we have classes, you know, every Saturday we have English, Tamil, it keeps coming. So keep watching, and whichever is comfortable for you, you can.
Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Okay. What better gift, Amma? Mother came to us on Mother's Day. Idoda enna venum?
Correct. Very true. It's a great
very
for us. So thank you very much for being here. And it was wonderful with all of you. Your patience, I really appreciate. So Bala is with you, and hold on to her. Life will become better and better. Thank you very, very much. Good night.